This is the beginning of a crazy day. What a day.
There you go. There you go, guys. Oh, pickerel. Pickerel party, pickerel party.
Alright guys, I have to narrate this because there was a lot of cursing going on. As you can see, I cast. Let it hit the water. Pay attention to the upper right. You'll see a bird that's perched up there flying right now. Grabs my whopper plopper, takes it in the air. I'm fighting him, trying to get my lure back. No animals were harmed during this video. I'm just trying to get my lure back and trying to get him off of the lure. I don't want him to get hooked, but I don't want to lose my lure either. So I'm just trying to at least get some of my line back to cut the line, but he keeps taking off. Eventually he cut the line for me. Bird 1, Tyler 0. I'm glad he's alive. That's all that matters. Birds' lives matter also. They say no whopper plopper left behind. Well, this one got left behind. He's in the air. He can have it. He really wanted it bad. As long as he's alive, that's all that matters. But whopper ploppers don't taste like real fish. I look off into the distance, hoping he dropped my whopper plopper back in the water. But he didn't. He just flew higher. So he really wanted a meal. I'm glad I could provide lunch the best way I could. The whopper plopper catches everything, guys. Just try to keep the wildlife safe the best way you can. Search and rescue mission. You know what I had to get, guys? I had to get my lure back.